What's up guys, Evergreen Fly Guy. About to do another video for you guys. We have a unboxing. I had some late stuff come from one of my Karl's orders. So it's, I think this took like 2 or 3 weeks to get here. I don't know what went on with it. Everything else came. But let me show you. This stuff right here kind of delayed on me a little bit, but that's okay. So let's just get into it. I honestly don't even know what I remember, what I ordered. So, yeah, let me find something and we'll break this tape right here and get this off. This might work. This is just old fly bobbin. I know, it kind of looks kind of weird. Or not a bobbin, sorry. A dubbing thing. Might be the name of it, I don't remember. Alright. Alright, guess so I got our packaging. Okay, I'm starting to remember a little bit now. Okay, alright. So, first thing I see, this would have been good a couple weeks ago. It's still going to be good, but a few weeks ago it would have been a little better. That's a Terminator finesse jig. I just thought I wanted some black and blue stuff. That's going to be the pattern you're going to see in here is black and blue, I believe. Oh, okay, here we go. Wow, these look even better in person. So these are the 10,000 fish, and these are the shimmer shads. Look at these, look at this. Strobe strips. You can see those on the bottom. Holy cow, those are going to make for awesome baits. Ketchco. Yeah. You're going to see some more of this type stuff in here too. But I was really trying to get out some drop shots, and these just looked awesome for drop shots. Like I said, black and blue. There's a juice jig, Googan Squad juice jig in the black and blue. I like their black and blue. I think it looks really nice. Yeah. And that is, what is that? 1/4? That's a 1/4. Okay. Pull this guy out because I know what this is. It's another black and blue jig. This is the gridiron football jig. That's a 3/8. Just the football head. Going up here to the top, here's some exo sticks. I actually ordered 2 packs. I ordered in this, this is my absolute favorite color. I used to slay on these. I have several wacky rig videos where you see me using this exact color. This is the watermelon red flake. And Biospawn's exo sticks, as soon as I got into wacky rig fishing, I tried these out and I just loved them. I don't know what it is about them. Maybe it's their weird design, but I think they work awesome. And the watermelon red flake really just has nice color to it. And the other color I got was Junebug. Oh, okay, here we go. Here's the fun. The new googan bait, the dart, which is their kind of like a fluke thing. Actually, let me set the camera down. I'm going to take this out for you guys. Okay. So, these are the 5-inch, I believe. Let me look. Yeah, 5-inch. And, you know, that's pretty cool. And this is the natural pattern. I actually like this. Like, you can see just the way the colors blend really nice. So, it'll be interesting to see how this compares to like a different type of fluke. But, continuing on, let's see. I have another jig here, another casting jig, and what is this? Cowboy crawl in the juice. Huh. I think there's probably a reason why I ordered this particular one. I probably had a trailer I wanted to match it up to. I'll have to go back and look. Don't particularly remember, but just another juice jig, and that's in 1/4 again. Yeah. Okay, let's go with these. Talk about these Sakoshi bugs. So this is another 10,000 fish. A Ketchco collab Sakoshi bugs. These are great for Ned rigs. Like, people have been really liking them for Ned rigs. And this one is in the coffee craw. I liked it because it just kind of gave like a little bit of a brown and black, and it has like this like red, white, and blue kind of flake to it. It's just kind of interesting. And then keeping on with that black and blue pattern, I have another one in the black and blue here. These are really interesting. I really can't wait. I'm really excited to try all this 10,000 fish stuff out. Alright, yeah, we'll go with this one. Another Biospawn. I'm not... So, I don't know if the Rattlebot is the only hard bait that Biospawn makes, but it's one of the few I've seen. And this is just really cool because it's a lipless crank, obviously. I got this in the bait fish pattern. Yeah, I don't think it's called blue. It might just be called bait fish. It obviously has a lot louder of a rattle than normal ones, and it just has a weird, unique kind of futuristic design to it, and it kind of explains it on the back a little bit. But that's going to be something exciting to use. And last but not least, since I love the Mike Buca's baby bull gills, where I have actually I have one of them right here in that ruby gill. I have one of the bull shads, and it's 3.7 inches long, and I got it in the rainbow trout right there. If you can see that. Not focusing. Oh well. But you get it up here. And same concept as that one, obviously, but rainbow trout, because I thought, you know what, rainbow trouts are in like every lake around here, so bass have to be feeding on them. But guys, that's been it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I would have done this with everything, but it all came in different pieces. I got my rod, which you guys saw. I got it like last week. I got a pack of just the Biospawn Exo Sticks. I got a pack of those just by themselves out of the blue, so it was kind of a weird shipping with that one. But hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. I appreciate all interactions. Check me out on Instagram. But get out there and catch some fish, guys.